Hey everybody, welcome to Outdoor Inspirations channel. Glad you're here with us today. We're again at Adcock's Nursery. Today we're going to do a plant spotlight. This one happens to be Thuja, which is arborvitae, and it's called Fire Chief. So we can't wait to show you this awesome plant, so let's get to it. Alrighty everybody, so this beautiful arborvitae is called Fire Chief. It's an evergreen. It stays about 3 to 4 foot tall and wide. This round natural shape allows you to not have to prune it and let it just do its thing naturally. I'm always a big proponent in mixing your landscape designs with formal plants and informal plants to give you variety of look. And this is a very low maintenance plant, super dense. I mean, you're peeling back foliage and you still can't find center. It's amazing, so vigorous. This new foliage, as it grows out, is this really awesome eye-popping pink to peach color. Otherwise, it gives you that really light, bright green. So it's just very inspiring to see out in your garden every day, just doing this for you, year-round even. This likes normal watering, and you know, as long as you're amending your soils when you're planting these, you're going to have good drainage. It's going to be fine with just normal rainfall after established. So it doesn't need any heavy watering needs once established. It has very good resistance to insects and disease, and just a really magnificent performer in your garden. Now, we can take these and show you a couple different looks you can get with other plants. And so this blue rug juniper contrasts really nice. It sets up a unique look for a particular setup where you have a very low and then you have this awesome backdrop of foliage to look at. So like say you're at the street or at the front of the garden looking back, you can start creating these tiers, you know, more interest. You got a starter, border, you got the filler, and then you can come back here, let's say say you have enough space in that garden, and I'm not saying we're gonna plant these this close, but just for setup reasons, now you can have a taller backdrop plant to start giving you some different looks and different heights, like this East Bay ligustrum here. And let's pick another plant. So let's take the juniper out, and say we brought in this dwarf harbor nandina. And so again, we're not going to plant these this close, but I'm bringing it really close so you get the idea. But look how this nandina picks up the color tones of the main color of this arborvitae. So that to me is a very awesome tie-in. And then you have this tremendously dark main foliage. Once it matures, the nandina will be pushed in color mainly. So you have a nice pop color difference. And then, you know, these nandinas are really unique and versatile too, because as the fall comes and we get cold weather, this will start turning reds and oranges and just start showcasing during the fall and winter for you. Another evergreen plant here. So that's a really nice combination there. Now we'll take the nandina away, and we'll come in and bring a loropetalum, another evergreen plant that can be a very good complement to the arborvitae. So you have this very sharp contrast, burgundy, and this really bright green. And this, you know, this Fire Chief, just the added bonus of that lovely rosy orange color on the tops is just amazing bonus to have. So that just gives you a couple different looks. And you know, Thuja in itself has so many varieties, tall, short, bally, you know, Here's a Mr. Bowling Ball arborvitae next to it. And they, it just shows you the massive difference between one variety of plant is out there. So we're so lucky to have so many different plant varieties that can give you different looks within the same species. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate having you here today. And remember, subscribe to our channel. We could use you to help us grow and just promote inspiration outdoors. That's why we're here. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook. And if you have a comment of another plant variety that you'd like us to do a video or tutorial on, please put those below. And remember, all things grow with love, so keep those plants healthy. Until next time, see you later.